Okay, moving on to the two front mounts. That piece is going to be welded in. There'll be another piece on top that bolts to it. Alright, so here's our bird's eye view. Our two plates are there. So this is going to be sitting on that line, probably just slightly off a touch. And then we're going to be mounting to a plate that's going to bolt down onto this frame. So right now all I need to know is where do I want the nuts, because I need to weld nuts underneath that plate so that when I bolt this to that, I've got something to bolt to. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, so I've got a little string line run across here. I was trying to find some kind of reference to try and get a straight line going across, and none of this front section seems to be straight in any way, so I'm just going off the front bolt there. I pretty much got myself a level and just sort of line the string up sort of right there as straight up and down with that bolt head. I put some marks on the plates on there and there, so I can take the string off and we can sort of start drawing where we want to have our mounting plates. Right, done a bit of drawing up on some cardboard. See, I've got some lines on there. That's the same width as the pipe. It's going to be going across the front. And I've been working on it a bit more, and I'm pretty happy with this. This is how the plate's going to look that goes down onto this one. So you got a hole there, hole there, hole there. So pretty much what I'm doing is transferring these three holes onto the plate underneath it so that I can drill out a big hole through this and through the frame where the nut is going to get attached onto this. So it's going to be bolt size hole here. Underneath it we'll be welding on the nut, but the nut has to sit inside the frame, so it'll be an even bigger hole in the frame. Sweet, so I've copied that into Blender. Got that file all transferred over into Lightburn, and we'll go cut it out of paper. There we are. Oh, let's see how close it is when it's finished. Here we go. I had to cut a second time because my settings are slightly off, but that is pretty damn good. And there we go. Nice and easy. I'll go make one for the other side. It's just going to mirror it. And then we can work on making the next piece. Alright, so here's that piece there. Gone and just rounded off the corners to make it look pretty. Just done that mirrored piece over there, just so I know what I'm working with.